Hello, welcome to the sky this week. This week, there is a good opportunity to observe the International Space Station ISS moving across the evening sky. On 8th February at 6:58 pm, ISS will appear near northern horizon, then it passes near the pole star and move towards northeast before becoming invisible. On 9th February, ISS can be seen near northwestern horizon at 7:45 pm. Then it moves across Andromeda, Pisces, Cetus and Fornax constellations before becoming invisible. On this day, it will be visible for 5 minutes. On 10th February, ISS will be much more brighter and visible for longer duration. It appears at 6:57 pm near the northwestern horizon and then moves across Cassiopeia, Perseus, Taurus, Orion, Canis Major and then sets at 7 minutes past 7 pm in the southeastern horizon. On 12th February, ISS can be seen at 7 pm moving across Great Square of Pegasus, Pisces and then sets in southern horizon. Now, let us look at the evening sky of the week. Around 7 pm, this group of stars called Cassiopeia is easy to identify. Once you identify this constellation, you can use this to locate pole star. This is north cardinal direction. Now, other cardinal points can be easily known. High in the northeast sky, you can see this bright star Capella of Auriga constellation. Towards east, many bright stars can be seen. Sight of Orion constellation will surely impress you. Bright stars Rigel of Orion, Sirius of Canis Major, Procyon of Canis Minor, Pollux of Gemini, Capella of Auriga and Aldebaran of Taurus forms imaginary hexagon called winter hexagon. This bright star here in south is Canopus and this is Achernar. Red planet Mars, which is now in Aries, can be seen near the zenith. Now, let us look at the pre-dawn sky. Around 5 am, in the northeast, bright star Vega of Lyra constellation can be seen. Scorpius constellation will be very attractive in southeastern sky. The brightest star of this constellation, Antares, is here. Towards south, these two bright stars, Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri, can be used to identify Centaurus constellation. Next to Centaurus, Southern Cross is easier to locate. In the northern sky, these stars are identified as stars of Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper. These two stars of the group can help in locating pole star. Using pole star, you can also identify Ursa Minor or Small Dipper, which includes pole star. As this is the last quarter of the lunar month, moon can be observed in the eastern sky at dawn. On 14th February, second day after new moon, moon can be observed in the western evening sky.